Can't ask for much better condition. Got a good steady breeze blowing straight down the river channel. I'm up on top of a flat. Water's about 30 foot deep to my right there, about 30 yards, 40 yards. So I'm literally riding the lip of the river channel. Tons of perch up here. So hopefully, with all these perch on top, might get lucky and get a big old flathead or a big old blue up here chasing a snack. It's always nice when you can catch your bait as you're using your bait. I've picked up a couple dozen perch already, so now all we need is a big old kitty to come hit it. What's nice, a lot of the perch have been good bait size, 6 to 8 inches, but I'm also getting some good table fare. I've got a couple in here that's probably pushing a little bit over 1/4 pound a piece, so those that get the knife tonight to eat. Let's hope we get a big one. It's starting to rain, believe it or not. About to hit a hump out here in the middle of the lake, so hopefully there's some fish hanging around this hump. monsters, but they're decent fish. Makes for a fun afternoon of fishing. It's a little dinky dink. It's all right. Pretty little fish. No monsters, just good fish. Alright, let's turn them loose. But I'll talk to you about how I put my planer boards out, which everybody does it differently probably, but what I like to do when I put a planer board out, because my other lines are back behind the boat, what I like to do is I'll toss my line straight forward like it right there, out about 30 yards, 40 yards off to the side of the boat. I'll let it sink to the bottom, and then I'll just put my planer board on. Then I'll hook up the clip, and I'll just lay it in the water right here beside the boat. What'll happen, I'll just let it free spool, and what'll happen is it'll keep pulling it that way as I'm going. And then once it gets out far enough, then I'll reel down on it and lock it down. You see, by doing that, what that does, like I say, that way the line is pulling like this away from the boat. Where if you just throw it off the back, hook your clip on it, then your line's wanting to drag straight back, and then your planer board has to pull it off to the side. I'd rather go ahead and throw it off to the side, and then my planer board just keep it off to the side. That's just the way I do it. Everybody has their way. As always, I appreciate you watching the video. If you got something out of it, give me a thumbs up. If you really liked it, push subscribe. Ring that little bell in the corner, and that way you'll always see whenever I post another video. Thank you for watching.